Hi folks. So last week I had uploaded a market analysis video where I had discussed what I was thinking of doing on Bank Nifty as well as Tata Motors, and the response that I got was really amazing, and few people found it really useful. So I thought I'll continue doing this for a few more weeks, if people are finding it useful. So, so taking forward what we discussed in the last video, so we had said that we are at a good support level on the Bank Nifty, and the entire week the support level was held, right? We are still, my view is still on the upside when it comes to Bank Nifty, right? We got nice rejections here as well. So every time we made a day low in the past 3 4 days, we got a nice, good bullish kind of a candle, right? So the outlook remains bullish. I had also tweeted about it on Friday. So I added on to my PSU Bs. I could not get a complete fill. Whatever I got, I took that. And I also went in with a short at 41 5,000 put. So basically the sub below the support level. So this is the low here is 41 569, right? So I had told we discussed that the support zone is between 41 500 and 41 800, right? So I took home some shots for 41 500 put, right? So let's see how this plays out. The view is bullish, so uh, up to the budget, I'm expecting this to go up, and if not, then obviously we have a stop loss. If it starts trading below 41 500, that is when I'll look to exit this position. All right, moving on. So, as I said, I've been investing in PSU Bs instead of. So, I have some investment in bank Bs as well, but PSU bank Bs is something that I'm more bullish on because of the way PSU banks have outperformed the private banks over the past 1 year or so, right? So for those who do not know what are PSU bank Bs, you can just Google it. It's basically a ETF, just like Nifty Bs is a ETF which mimics the Nifty 50 stock. So PSU bank Bs is a ETF which mimics a group of PSU, public sector unit banks, right? So yeah, so this is on the index remaining bullish. Probably I'll see if I get an opportunity to do a debit spread in the coming week. If I get a good correction on the 15 minutes or maybe on a 5 minute chart, I'll look to create a debit spread as well. So that's wait and watch for now. As of now, the basic position is a sell on 41 500 put as well as accumulation of PSU bank Bs. All right. Then we had discussed about Tata Motors last week. So this again we got a good pop. I wasn't expecting. I don't know if there was a news or something. We got a nice pop here on Monday and yeah, on Tuesday I think. Yeah. So since then it's been moving in a range. So generally this happens if you get a good up move after that. The stock goes into a range. So this is healthy only as far as price action is concerned. Nothing to be worried about. It's bouncing off a really good support. So if I look at the daily, uh, so this is the support area, support zone that we had discussed last time, and it's bouncing off from there. So it's good only. We have some Tata Motors. I have some Tata Motors in my cash portfolio. Nothing significant, but yeah. So it's there, and we also have a debit spread. So which we converted into a ratio. So that's still open. And let's see what happens in Tata Motors this week. The other stock which came into my radar was Biocon. So here, someone actually had asked me to analyze this stock. So I found this a really good setup wherein this is a really nice support zone between 210 and let's say 220. So we have a massive breakout point here which was done via a gap up, and this gap became a very good support, which is confirmed by these two pivots, right? The markets, this is a weekly chart, by the way. It turned from here. And what would be a really fantastic trade is if Biocon comes down to this level between 2 and 210, right? So I would be waiting for it. It's in a downtrend. It's been falling like crazy. The high is 487. It's trading around 252. So yeah, almost halved, 10, 15 more points to go maybe. So if it comes down to 225, 220 levels, I would be looking to go long. It would be a nice TR trade for people who are in the batches. They would understand. This will be a nice TR trade, which is a trend reversal trade. So let's see. I'll keep monitoring this. If there's some action happening here, I'll update in the subsequent videos. So yeah, keeping it short and crisp, and hopefully you like what I'm talking about. Please do share your comments. That encourages me to, do this on a Saturday evening or a Saturday night or a Sunday. So I look forward to your feedback and have a nice weekend. Thank you.